Huayan Robotics is powering the future of automotive manufacturing with intelligent, high-precision automation. From screwing intake grills and detecting their position coordinates, to spraying wheels with smooth and consistent coverage, our robotic systems ensure accuracy at every stage. We restore body panels with efficient paint repair and use three-dimensional scanning technology to inspect car doors for dimensional precision. Air vents are assembled and tested with minimal manual input, while engine bearing shells are installed with exact torque and alignment. For the electric vehicle sector, our Cobus securely fasten lithium battery modules to meet the highest safety and efficiency standards. Let us shape the future of automotive together.